Today I bring you a simple but very effective trick that you can try before planting garlic. Stay with me until the end and I will reveal to you all the advantages that this method provides and how to apply it correctly for maximum results. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips. We all throw it away, and it is very effective. Coffee grounds are a real boon for the soil. It contains valuable nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which are essential for the growth of garlic. By adding coffee grounds to the soil, you improve the soil structure, making it looser and richer. It also helps maintain humidity and provides natural protection against some pests. All this contributes to faster and stronger root development, which is essential for healthy and large onion heads. Before planting garlic, prepare the soil by digging it well and removing all weeds. Add 2 to 3 handfuls of dried coffee grounds to every square meter of soil. Make sure that the sediment is dry so that it does not compact too much in the ground. Gently mix the residue into the soil using a rake or hoe, so that it is evenly distributed over the entire surface. After you have prepared the soil, plant the garlic as you normally would, in rows with a distance of about 10 centimeters between each clove. After sowing, water the soil, but do not overdo it, as coffee grounds help retain moisture. By adding coffee grounds before sowing garlic, you are giving your onions a great start for strong growth and a bountiful harvest. This little trick can make a big difference, so why not try it? If you like this video, give me a like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.